Hi there, this is Michael Collins from EnviroReporter.com. It's May 9th, Monday, at about 10:30 p.m. and we've had a little rain here in Los Angeles, and I've collected it by soaking a paper towel outside, and with the precipitation on the leaves that are in our garden, this is the towel right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to measure to see if we can detect any radioactivity in it. I'm going to take a 10-minute timed count, and I'm going to hold it, our Rad Alert inspector, which you've seen over the last couple of months, and I'm going to hold it in front of the object that's holding the wet paper towel, and we'll get a total count after 10 minutes, which we'll then divide by 10, see what counts per minute we're getting, to see if we have any overage of the background that we've established inside here. I'm going to set the time. It's calibrated. It's for 10 minutes. And it starts at 0, and I get as close as I can to the wet towel without touching it. So I don't want to get anything on the inspector, because it could then give me false readings because some radioactive particle was on it. This is going to be 10 minutes of just looking at EnviroReporter.com's radiation station Rad Alert inspector. On our website, in comments, you can see one of our compatriots, Thomas from St. Louis, doing the same kind of test and coming in at 62 times background. I can tell by the amount of ionization events that have taken place right now that we're going to come nowhere near that. But anything over 2 times background out of the normal is an indication that it's something that should be explored. 3 times background makes that need to determine what the cause of the radiation is even that more urgent. Now, the reason I'm right up on top of this material is if it's alpha or beta emitting, it will emit just a very short distance. Doesn't mean that it's harmless after that distance, because if you ingest, get into your skin, that kind of radiation, it could then manifest in your body and be very harmful. So that's 544 counts divided by 10. It's 54.4 counts per minute. Our average in here just a few minutes ago was around 37. So that's a difference of about 17. Divide 17 by about 37. And you're looking at about 45% higher than background. So half again as much as background based on this water sample that we just got out of our garden here in Santa Monica, right next to West Los Angeles in the Los Angeles Basin on Monday, May 9th, 2011. Come to EnviroReporter.com for more information. Thanks.